Namaskar. Kapal Bhati is popular yogic kriya or cleansing practice. So today I am going to talk about this technique in detail. We will see how to do it, its importance and its benefits. Kapal means the entire face, especially your forehead. And Bhati, not Bharati. Bhati means shining. Kapal Bhati is a natural method which not only gives you a radiant face but also purifies and energizes your body. I would advise you to do this kriya before you meditate or before you study because it clears the mind and makes it attentive. Let us see how to do this step by step. Sit comfortably in Padmasana or Sukhasana. Make sure your spine is erect and shoulders are relaxed. Place your hands on your knees, palm facing upwards. Take a few normal breaths with awareness to bring attention to your natural breath rhythm. Inhale and exhale sharply, forcefully and quickly. As you do so, keep your facial muscles relaxed. You will find that you are using muscles of your throat. Avoid flaring your nostrils and try not to move your body too much. As you continue to take sharp breaths, the friction will create moderate sound. Your breaths are short, sharp and forceful. See that your breath is equal in inhalation and exhalation. Take 10 such breaths in one round. You can take 3 to 5 such rounds as a beginner. After completing, take a deep, slow breath and sit quietly for a moment, observing the effects of this practice on your body and mind. Here at the Yoga Institute, we do not do Kapal Bhati with a vigorous movements of stomach. While doing Kapal Bhati, don't move your stomach. Usually people, when they breathe out, they push the stomach in. Avoid this. Don't give jerks like this to your diaphragm. Just see that you breathe at the Kapala level. It is Kapal Bhati. Then this kriya is good for all without any complication, any limitation. But if you had some surgery or trauma, avoid it till you feel better. Kapal Bhati kriya is not only easy to learn and practice, but it also has many benefits. Immediately after doing this kriya, the first thing you notice is that you feel lighter and your mind becomes clear. Practicing regularly improves texture of your skin because the blood circulation and oxygenation on your face, it rejuvenates tired cells and nerves. So, your face looks younger and brighter. It mainly cleanses your facial sinuses. Here, your vision and sense of smell also improves. This kriya effectively removes phlegm and toxins from your sinuses and respiratory passage. So, it reduces the frequency of sinusitis and migraine attack. If you suffer from anemia, this kriya is a good therapy. Your lymphatic system and thyroid function also benefited from regular practice. Kapal Bhati stimulates your vagus nerve, an important component of your parasympathetic nervous system. One important psychological benefit is that Kapal Bhati improves concentration. It greatly relieves any built-up stress and gives you a peaceful state of mind. The dynamic breathing pattern of Kapal Bhati brings together a connection between breath, body and mind. Remember, as in any other yogic practices, consistency and patience are required to get all its benefits. So learn and include Kapal Bhati in your everyday yoga sequence. Soon, because of the glow on your face, you would like to add this practice every day, even twice a day in your routine. You will never forget to do Kapal Bhati. Do it regularly, benefit from it. Namaskar.